I am opening the packing of portable microscope. So right now he is taking the base pole which has to be connected. From here he is unscrewing it. Now he is putting it gently like this. This is a very easy. You see. Now he already locked it. Now he is taking the second part which has to fit in the pole. He is first unscrewing it so that it will fit. Once it will fit, he is then again locking it. He is also unscrewing these two knobs also. Now he is taking the third part. You see, now he is locking it like this. Now he is also locking the middle one. He is also unscrewing the upper one. Now he is taking the head like this. He is unscrewing it. Now he is already taken out. Now you see, now he is putting it like this. And gently he is pushing it like this. You can take help of one more person. Now it is locking it in clockwise direction. Yeah, now he locked. Now he is putting the upper knob like this. Just put it down like this. Yeah, this is the portion how you have to do it. Please sit carefully. This is the handle. Now he is again. Now he is taking the light source. He has taken the light source and he has put it this light source here. Yeah, now he has locked it. Now he is taking the power cable. Like this. It's a very simple connection, like all other. And now you see, this is the LED light system. Yeah, like this. Take it, and from the back part, there is a intensity control on/off button, and you have to fix that cable. There is a groove. This is on/off. This is intensity, and this is now he switch on the light source from power cable. Like this, you see, this is coming, and here is a knob. You can increase the light and decrease. This is taking the knob. Yeah. Okay, but IPD. Yeah, IPD you can, like it is in on your hand. You can do, and this is the magnification. Like this, according to your. This is the steps. 3 step, 5, 10, and 20. From there you can rotate and you can get the step. These are the handle. From like you can push up and down. And these are the zoom or fine focusing. You can up or down according to your need. And yeah, like this you can twist it like this. And the knobs are there. So like this you can see. This knob, if you unlock it, it will do like this, and if you lock it, it will. And this you can take side, and you can. Important note: do not. And the very important note: do not touch this part, because this is the setting which we have, balance setting we have did from the company. So do not disturb this part. Otherwise, your whole microscope balancing will go. Thank you very much for seeing this demonstration and installation of our portable microscope.